Welcome to the billion-dollar AI robot pet factory in 2035, a place where engineering, biology, and imagination merge. Behind these colossal steel walls, a new generation of robotic companions is brought to life with precision and flawless efficiency. Today, you'll witness the entire creation journey, from raw components to fully intelligent robot pets ready to enter the world. Arrival of robotics components. Raw servos, chips, and power cores arrive and enter the automated factory system. Microchip sorting, AI microchips, are scanned, sorted, and prepared for installation. AI core testing. Deep in the diagnostics lab, AI cores undergo their first pulse of consciousness. These glowing blocks will soon carry personality, memory, and decision-making. Servo calibration. Motion is life. Hundreds of tiny motors spin, tighten, and respond as robotic arms calibrate them one by one. These micro servos will become the muscles. Synthetic skin arrival. Hyper-elastic synthetic skin rolls enter the prep and molding area. Neural matrix fabrication. Microscopic neural pathways are laser-etched into resin blocks. Emotion chip programming. Behavior chips are programmed with emotional and social patterns. E-alloy melting bay. Metal ingots melt into glowing alloys used for robotic skeletons. Skeleton frame casting. Robotic frames cool as scanners verify structural integrity. Joint assembly. Bearings and actuators snap into place to form smooth-moving joints. Limb stress testing. Robotic limbs flex under pressure to confirm durability and stability. Fiber optic wiring. Light-speed fiber optic cables are threaded through the internal frame. AI processor installation. The true brain enters the body. A glowing AI processor descends into place, initiating basic consciousness routines deep within the robotic system. Synthetic muscle installation. Elastic synthetic muscles are attached to deliver real animal movement. Servo tendon integration. Tendons connect to servo microactuators for precise facial and body motion. Cooling chamber stabilization. Assembled torsos cool in fog chambers to stabilize components. Skin molding. Synthetic skin is pressed tightly onto robotic structures and bonded. Facial structure assembly. Micro-expression servos create lifelike facial movement grids. Eye module manufacturing. Realistic robotic eyes are polished, assembled, and tested. Vision calibration tunnel. Advanced visual sensors track holograms to fine-tune accuracy. Audio sensor embedding. Directional microphones and hearing membranes are installed. Voice module installation. Warm, friendly vocal systems are embedded into the neck structure. Emotional expression testing. Here, robotic faces cycle through smiles, curiosity, surprise, and affection. Expression accuracy is critical for emotional bonding. Torso sealing. External panels close the body and seal internal systems. Limb attachment and balance testing. Arms and legs connect to the torso for coordinated movement. Battery core installation. Glowing power cores slide into place, activating full system energy flow. Full body articulation. Robots stretch, crouch, and run through fluid sequences. This is where machine transforms into motion. Smooth, soft, and lifelike. AI personality upload. Personality begins. Each pet receives individualized behavior traits. Playful, calm, energetic, or curious. This is the moment the robot starts becoming unique. Interaction behavior training. Robots learn gestures, commands, and interaction patterns. Fur application. Synthetic fur is applied and groomed to look lifelike. Micro-expression tuning. Tiny facial details are refined for natural emotional realism. Paw sensor installation. Sensitive paw pads are added for touch and pressure detection. Tail emotional movement. Tails are programmed with expressive wagging and emotional signals. Tails are programmed to wag, curl, and sway with expressive timing based on emotional states. Personality merge behavior. Data merges with emotional algorithms, creating a unique companion identity. Voice personalization. Each robot's voice is tuned, playful, warm, high, or soft. Mobility testing robots run through obstacle tracks, proving agility, balance, speed, and responsiveness. Real-time obedience training, gesture recognition, obedience cues, and recall training. Emotion reading tests. Robots observe projected human expressions and learn to react with empathy, an essential companion trait. Environmental sound recognition robot pets learn to interpret hundreds of sounds. ... Safety simulation robots practice avoidance, protective movement, and gentle interaction. Grip pressure calibration. Paws adjust gripping strength to ensure gentle handling. Thermal sensitivity testing. Robots test temperature detection and heat regulation. Ambient noise tolerance. They adapt to loud environments, staying calm and stable no matter the chaos around them. Human touch calibration robots practice natural reactions to petting and physical affection. Realistic movement testing. Units perform natural motions like stretching, rolling, and sitting. Group behavior simulation. Robots learn social spacing and interaction with other units. Charging dock recognition units practice finding and connecting to charging docks autonomously. Child-friendly interaction simulation robots test gentle behavior. Voice recognition matching units
Look up!
learn to identify and respond to unique human voices.
Over here. Attention all units. Hello, can you hear me? Wake up, it's a beautiful day.
Final grooming and polishing. Fur and skin receive final polishing for showroom appearance. Final quality control technicians verify every detail for perfection and safety. Software finalization. Final firmware loads complete the robot's personality, memory systems, and behavior set. Packaging preparation. Custom foam molds and elegant boxes are prepared for each unit. Boxing and sealing. Each companion is carefully packaged for transport, with protective layers added. Labeling and serialization. Every robot pet receives a unique identity code, its digital fingerprint. Warehouse storage. Finished units rest in giant climate-controlled warehouses awaiting shipment. Loading bay distribution. Automated loaders place boxes into sleek delivery trucks headed around the world. Retail display setup. Store teams unbox and stage the robot pets for customers to meet. On-shelf showcase robot pets sit proudly on illuminated shelves, ready to be chosen and brought home. Checkout and first scan. A customer lifts their chosen robot pet, scans the box, and begins the final step of bringing their companion into their life. The end of the factory journey and the beginning of a new one.